In today's video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube sound not working on Android. It's a simple fix, so let's jump right into it. First, open your Settings app. Next, go to Sounds and Vibration. Here, make sure that your media volume is turned up. Your phone has separate volume controls for ringtone, notifications, and media. So even if your ringtone is loud, your media volume might still be low, and that's what YouTube uses for sound. Once you've confirmed that your media volume is up, go back to the Settings menu. Now scroll down and tap on Apps Management, and then choose App List. Find and select YouTube from the list, and then click on Laptop. On the App Info screen, tap Force Stop at Middle, then Confirm by pressing OK. Next, tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data, and confirm with OK. And that's it. Your YouTube sound should now be working again on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorial updates. Thanks for watching.